So we see oftentimes there are sadhus and saints, at least in the in front of our eyes. They don't walk around with tons of books and notebooks, but they have everything is revealed to them by Krishna. So the gopis never studied anything, but they know the art of loving. And from the art of loving, that's why we see that Prabhupada explains in the Krishna book, he said, women have an advantage in Krishna consciousness. Women have a great advantage because of the simplicity of their hearts and their basic gentle nature. It is easy for them to fall in love with Krishna. This is nice. This is a very nice thing to have that kind of advantage. They don't, oh, why this and why that? The male man, the Atman, the male body, will just spend lifetimes trying to answer all his questions. Why? Then finally his heart will be soft enough and he'll have enough sentiments to say, I accept. So it's like 100 lifetimes in Vichar Pradhan, and then finally you say, okay, Vichar Pradhan, Dandavats, all the Tattva Gyan and everything. We just love Krishna. We don't know who he is, we don't even care.